Changing your video background is very simple and straightforward. I'm going to show you how to change your video background from the original background to any background of your choice that will suit your particular video in 3 steps using CapCut in your phone. There are 3 particular things that will mess up your video if you don't take note of them. Number one is phone shaking. Make sure your phone is not shaking while you are recording your video. That is to use tripod or anything that can hold your phone in one position while you are recording your video. Number two is busy background. Make sure you don't record your video when the background is very busy. So it will enable your video to be mixed up when you are editing the video. So you make sure you have a plain background to enable your video to be perfect when you are editing the video. So this is the second one. So the third and the last one is lighting. So you need a LED light or a ring light or a natural sunlight. So like me now, I'm using the natural sunlight to film this video. I'm facing directly my window and using the natural sunlight to film this video. So you can also do that as well. So that is the third one. So to enable your video to be clean when you are editing it, it will look professional and good to go. So those are the 3 things that can mess your video off. So if you are still watching to this moment, please take a second to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel if today is your first time coming across to our channel. Thank you. Let's go to the purpose of this video. So at the end of this video, I'm going to share with you the site in which I get all my material I use in editing this video. So let's go. So you open your CapCut in your phone. So first thing we want to do here is to open our CapCut, which is this CapCut. Just open it. We are going to be doing this thing. We are going to be doing this particular practical in just 3 steps so that you follow up. And at the end of this video, I will show you the site which I get all my background and it's for free. And the first step you want to do here, once you go to this new project, the first step you want to do is to upload your background first. And the background, we are not using video background for this example. We are going to be using picture background. So you just go to this photo and click on the photo. And this is the particular one we are going to be using. Just click on it. It will appear here. So this is the first step we are going to be doing. So you extend it to where you want it to be to reach. So because it's picture, it can extend to any length. So the second thing, so in this first stage, you have to go, if it is YouTube that you are doing the removing background for, so you have to go to the ratio. You can say ratio here so that it will be at YouTube size. You can see YouTube here, just click on the size. As you can see, you extend it to fit in the YouTube ratio. Then you click on this good check mark. So this is step 1. We have finished step 1. So step 2 is to bring in your video and remove the background. So how do we do that? Is to go to overlay, go to this place that's called overlay, click on overlay, add overlay, go to video, because it's video we are bringing this time around, not picture. You go to picture. So this is the video we are going to be using. Click on add, it will appear here. So when it appear here, so the next thing to do, you can see it has covered the background we are going to be using. Next thing you are going to do is to come to remove BG. You can see the line is on the video. If the line is here, no. So you put the line on the video you want to remove the BG. You can scroll now. You can see remove BG here. Just click on it. Click on auto remover. So it's removing BG. It has removed. So if you remove, it will be counting here. If you remove BG, you will see that green button that tick good. So you know that he has done removing the BG. So you just click on this place that is written good. Click and go back. So we are done removing this particular BG. So the third and the last step we are going to do now is, number 1 is to blur this background because it's too clean. And number 2 is to make me do color grading so that my face, you can see my face is a bit rough to make my face match to this kind background that I'm using. So this is the two things we're going to do in this third this thing. So the first thing we're going to do is to blur the background. So you have to come and look for effect. You can see effect here. Just click on effect, go to video effect, then click on this search. Okay, look at the blur we are going to be using. This person putting on red. So you just click on the blur and click on this cancel and click on this good check mark here. Just click on it. As you can see, the video, you just extend it to where the video ends, where you want the blur to end. So if you can see, the blur is too much. So as this thing is on it now, you can clean the adjust here, click on adjust and reduce it. At least we will reduce this to 10. Let's leave it on 10. So we reduce it to 10 and click on this check mark again. So the second one is to do color gradings to enable my face match this background which I'm using. You just have to go back, click on this to bring out the video. You can see my video that I removed the background. So what we are going to do after I click on the video is to go to retouch, go to this face retouch, go to face. So once I reach face, as you can see, my face is not smooth enough. I'll come to this smooth. I'll put smooth on 25. I put it on 25. I click on good. I come again. I click on tone, skin tone. I use this warm honey, this particular one. I click on it. Then I will go back again. I go to brightness. I will take the brightness to 7. The brightness 7. Then I will go and whiten my teeth. Click on this white teeth. I will put it on 50 so that my teeth will be sharp. And I click on this good check mark. As you can see, my picture is not changed to fit in the background that we are watching. Are you seeing what I'm seeing now? So I've color graded my picture. It is equivalent to, it has matched the background of the particular video I'm doing. So this is literally how you can do this is this is literally how you can do this color grading and blur the background. So this is what you need to do to change your background. So this is the last thing. I promise to tell you the site which I use to download my picture and my video for free. So you can just go to this pixel, go to Play Store and download it. It's very helpful. You can use all the picture there for free. It doesn't have any copyright. You can reuse them, use them for anything that you want to do in your anytime you want to apply changing of this thing, you just use them. You just have to just sign in. It's free of charge. It doesn't charge you. Download any video you want to use in any of your video and any of your, as you can see, once you just type anything here, let's say we are looking for office background. Let's say office background now, you will bring out, look at, it will bring out a lot of office background for me to download. And anyone you like, once you click it, you can click here to download it. So you use it for your video. If you need video, you come to this place, you come to video here and click on video. You can see a lot of video also. You can see a lot of video. These ones are videos. You can see a lot of video here. Office video, you can see. All these ones are video. You can see a lot of video. You can see the one you like. You just come here and download it and you will use it. So Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and also turn on your bell notification that anytime we post video, you'll be the first person to know. Like this video and God bless you. See you in the next class.